Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install the Zulip private chat server on Debian 12. First, you need to update your system. Next, install the necessary packages. Continue to check the status of UFW. If the firewall is inactive, open the necessary ports. After that, verify the firewall status. First, create a temporary directory and navigate to it. Next, download the latest version of Zulip. Continue to extract the downloaded file. Next, start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, which will take approximately 20 minutes, you will receive a unique URL to access the Zulip interface. Open your web browser and go to the URL provided during installation. Follow the prompts to set up your organization, input your organization name, email, and password, and begin using Zulip. Now, we will edit the Zulip settings file. Add or update the following lines. Next, save your SMTP password. Continue to add the following line. Next, send a test email to test your outgoing email configuration. Then, reboot your server and check that the chat server works. Now, you can send an invitation to a new user in the organization.